Welcome to MTI-TV. I'm Sam, and today we're talking about Ultrabond ECO 399, a heavy-duty, pressure-sensitive multi-flooring adhesive. So tell me, does your luxury vinyl tile or your luxury vinyl plank floor gap at the seams? Can it withstand high moisture? Ultrabond ECO 399 is designed with the functionality to resist high moisture and aggressively reduce gapping and shrinkage. It is a tenacious, pressure-sensitive adhesive with enhanced dimensional control properties. This allows installers to confidently use Ultrabond ECO 399 for the installation of a wide variety of resilient flooring types, including LVT, LVP, as well as cork underlayment, vinyl, and polyolefin back carpet tiles. If flooring is being installed over a new concrete slab with a high moisture content, then Ultrabond ECO 399 is the adhesive to use. This heavy-duty adhesive features superior moisture resistance, making it suitable for use on concrete slabs with an RH levels of up to 99%. The high shear strength found in Ultrabond ECO 399 provides resistance to high traffic and heavy rolling point loads. This strong bond also helps control shrinkage that typically occurs as LVT and LVP ages. With Ultrabond ECO 399, you can worry less about gapping and shrinkage. It is the perfect adhesive for demanding LVT and LVP flooring installations. Ultrabond ECO 399 is ready to use and it's easy to apply. Simply trowel it on, install your flooring. This aggressive adhesive will put the resilient in your resilient flooring. For more information, call us or drop by our website at www.mapei.com. I'm Sam for MTI-TV. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. To make sure you don't miss the next episode, hit the bell down below. Thanks again for watching this edition of MTI-TV.